So hello and welcome back to RS Links. Today's pickup day for my new EV. You can see over my shoulder, here's my Leaf. I'm leaving it in the car park. It's been a good car over these last 2 and a bit years, but things change, things move on. So, can you work out what I'm getting at? Is it the Peugeot or is it the VW? There's clues in the background if you can see. So the car's over by the door. I've done all the paperwork and everything, so let's go over and have a look. Now, you've probably worked it out by now what I'm getting. Just a short walk over the car park. It's not one of those over there. We don't like self-charging hybrids. I can't say it's self-charging hybrids, do we? So it's just over here by the door. Okay, just giving it a little final clean. Cheers, mate.
Sorry.
There we go. So this is what I've got. It's an ID.3 with metallic paint. This is the stonewashed blue colour. It's got my plate on already. And it's the family version. So the family version comes with the glass roof and some other features you don't get on some of the other base versions. And I've also gone for the heat pump as well. So the deal that I got was absolutely fantastic. So originally I was looking at a Moonstone family, and when I got speaking to these guys here in Lister's VW in Loughborough on the phone, they said, well, we can do you this one for much cheaper than that one. So that's what I jumped on. The only thing I'm not keen on at the moment is the wheels, but I'm going to get some alloys for that later. Keep the same tyres, get the wheels that I wanted originally there, called East Derry wheels. They're diamond cut, they're black, and the tyres will luckily fit as well, so everyone's a winner. A very early start this morning, had to get here for 9:30 to pick up, so I had to set off from my place at 7:30. So here we are. So let's go and have a look inside. So I'd gone for the darker interior. You remember when I had the ID.3 first edition, it was the light interior, which was okay. It sort of grew on me, but much prefer the black interior. And we got also the plain pause pedals, which were going to be just a feature of the first edition, but they've seemed to have carried them over to some of the other models as well, which is good. There's actually quite a lot of features and specs that they've actually carried over. So at the time of me doing my ID.3 first edition video, a lot of the specs weren't known. The only information was what was on the VW website, which was obviously accurate at the time, but quite a lot of features have been carried over to the other cars. So I think 11 kilowatt charging is standard, I believe, across the range, whereas the blurbs you're reading on the VW website just said that the first edition came with it, and it may have been a cost option, so that's good that that's included as well. So just now to get it home. I'm going to go via somewhere, get some food. I'm absolutely starving, I'm thirsty, but it's a good day and look forward to making more videos with this soon. So have a happy Christmas everyone, and I'll see you in the new year.